Шершавенький проворот с пропердоном. Бэу.
Don't bark at her. Stop. Oh, she's scared. Peanut. Oh my god.
Симба, принеси туалетную бумагу.
Hey, Batman. I live in the shadows. Justice.
Get off of me! Get the fuck off of me! Get the fuck off of me!
And my head hit
Let
the
me
wall.
go! Now!
But I...
Okay, and if you don't, it's A, but I see.
How much did you eat? A. Okay, okay. Oh my god. You have problems.
Well, don't you have to sign up?
So I just walked in from work and there's one cat, but as I walk into the kitchen and set my stuff down... You comfy there, bud? You good?
Just because your eyes are closed doesn't mean I can't see you. You're ridiculous. You can't have my biscuit.
What the fuck? Go.
Are you alright? Are you okay? Are you stuck? Oh no, he's...
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
Oh.
Quer muito esse sachê? Você também quer muito? Ah! Vou tapa na cabeça. Ela quer tudo pra ela. Você quer, meu amor? É? Oh. What are you doing?
О, ты тут, здорово.
What the fuck?
My cat's been fucking with my dog all morning.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
I didn't mean to do it.
Hey, Carrie.
Excuse me. Where'd it go? You embarrassed?
What's the matter? You don't want us to clean the bird poop off of you? Are you giving up? Have you given up on life? Get him! Get him! Oh! Go!
Dracarys. Oh my god. She's just a baby. What the hell is she doing? She loves it. Are you just a baby girl? Oh.
You have to do the motion and then he does it.
Hey, somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come.
Voo-voo. All right, Yowo, your turn. Ready?
Why do you eat shit you're not supposed to eat and I feed you? Like, what is the problem? You just being greedy as fuck. Look, now look at you. Looking stupid as hell up there. Unhand me, little nigga. Unhand me.
If I wasn't fat, you wouldn't be able to do that. So you're welcome. Oh, ouch.
My cat attacks me every day for no reason.
Este es el fin de Sid el Perezoso.
Did you have something you wanted to say to the people? Oh. Damn, why you gotta take him down like that? Poor Yobi.
เดินด้วยเดินด้วยเดินด้วย
It's that big bitch up there. Fuck all that shooting. I got some for that ass.
You're finally driving off into the sunset and skipping town for good, but I will leave you to.
Where's my sweet boy? What are you doing? I love you.
Oh my god, he's so good.
Oh.
Araba yıkılarsan baş gözün ağzına. Yerden yakşıdı boynun sınmadı. Uy Allah, uy Allah, uy Allah.
Beni ilgilendirmiyor. Beni ilgilendirmiyor hanımefendi, beni ilgilendirmiyor.
Happy birthday! Oh my goodness. Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you.
Nah, we're not the only thing that's been defeated by the Heat. Look at the position my K is in. Golly. Oh.
I may be little, but my mama taught me MMAW, murder, mitten, ass whipping. Hiss at me again, bitch.
What are you doing?
Whoa.
Luke, no! Oh my gosh, get down from there.
You crazy. Crazy man.
You beating up that blanket. No.
Ништяк.
Get out of my shirt.
Y'all just talk it out. Just talk it out, bro.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine at almost.
¿Cómo hicieron? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo hicieron? ¿Cómo? Lo destaparon ella. No, las voy a matar.
Que te extraño cada día más. No dejo de pensar en ti, mi amor.
Bro, I guarantee you your head's gonna get stuck.
Does your cat also like being vacuumed? I swear she is so weird but cute at the same time.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
Have you ever heard a cat slap?
With Shark's Duo Clean, I don't just clean, I deep clean carpets and floors. So I got this. Yep, this too. Even long hair and pet hair are no problem. But the one thing I won't have to clean is this. Because the Shark's self-cleaning brush roll removes the hair wrap while I clean.
Shark.
You okay? So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is. Man. God, oh my god, who's ready for goo and slime? Goo and slime, goo and slime!
And Lee England from First Group is no stranger to claims that come in from cyclists having had altercations with buses from the fleet.
Oh my god!
Lying around here, watching while she gets on with her life, meeting someone, being happy. We'll be devastated.
Who's making that sound, Bubba? Bubba!
Oh, Charlie, you're such a nice boy.
Charles!
Horrible.
Milo!
What you doing? Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that? You're stuck in there now. Otworzył!
Truly in pain. But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Yeah, he's so fascinated by it. He's too curious. Curiosity killed the cat, man. You understand if you wax it, the candle's going on the ground?
He's gonna like it. Did you get that? Oh my god.
Did you get it?
Alright. Getting home from a long day's work. Oh! Somebody. Oh! Did you open the door for me? Hi! Hi, baby!
"21 years old. He just needs a bit of sleep."
Молодец, котик. Молодец, котик. Ура! Котик, молодец. Котик, молодец. Сколько Кате говорили там надо...
Ding dong. Ma'am, there's no need to be violent. Bringing your package.
My cat is out of control.
you.
Somebody snooping for their Christmas present. Yeah, you're guilty.
Here's another one. What the fuck?
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Falte ihn nach einigen Minuten in der Hälfte, drücke ihn mit deinen Handballen nach vorne und wiederhole.
Thanks.
มืดแล้วไม่หลับไม่นอนฟ้ามันเป็นยังไงพาลูกมาทำไมเนี่ยแล้วดูสิติดคาตรงเนี้ยออกก็ไม่ได้เข้าก็ไม่ได้อะอ้วนก็อ้วนฮะมีความ
Oh my god. Get out. Wah, Pi, yang benar, Pi, shock berat mama, udah gak usah main lagi, takut.
Excuse me?
What?
Why are you so cute?
I was born like that.
Okay.
No, Mom. You're mine. Like, I'm your mommy. I don't know why you do this. No, Mom. No.
Tanya, why are you doing that?
Bastardo!
Che è successo?
Aspetta!
Oscar!
Aia! Perché cade così? Dove sto andando? Aspetta!
And then in 2007, he came to my office as a consultant, and I said to myself, sorry, I like this gentleman. And then we started dating. He proposed to me on my voicemail, and he said he looked forward to spending the next day with me and every day. I'm marrying the man of my dreams.
So, tell me, you had another dress?
I sort of found a dress that sort of found me. It's a beautiful dress. We liked it. And then we planned.
It's so weird. What is that?
Dude, are you okay? Do you know how a door works? Are you?
Oh, for God's sake! Ow! Man, está passando fuso, man. Pô, man. Vai te cagar, vamos lá.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a killer. What?
No. Maple. Maple. No.
So scared. Please don't. Please don't attack me. Please don't. I'm not doing anything. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Oh God. I didn't do anything.
What did you eat? What did you get down? Did you put your face in the sour cream? What did you? Oh.
You're my baby. You're my baby.
So go up, go around.
You're my baby.
Greco, scary.
You're my. Ow!
Scary, Greco.
Detectives going to Kevin's apartment.
Papi, gracias por venir. Ya tengo el nuevo vasija. Se quemó, ¿viste? Mira, se quemó. Se quemó. Qué tarada.
No. Stop. High five?
Okay. Unacceptable. No. Puff! Oh my god, Puff! Stop! Oh my... Stop! Puffy! Oh.